Hello friends, welcome to Learn Better and welcome to the second tutorial on PL/SQL programming. In this video, we will talk about conditional statements in PL/SQL. Let's start. Now, as I discussed in the last video, this video is for programmers as well as non-programmers who have just started coding. And for the sake of that, we have taken a very simple basic English statement to understand the if-else logic. If you are a computer science graduate, then you work for the computer industry, else you work somewhere else. Let's see a program to understand it better. First of all, we declare A and we assign the value 10 to it, and we declare the data type as number, hence we are storing 10, which is also a number. So that's fine. Inside begin, we again declare A equals 10. Then we check the condition. If A is less than 20, then dbms output.put line will display the message A is less than 20. So now, as you can see, the computer is checking A is less than 20, and based on that logic, displaying the output A is less than 20. Then we end the if statement. This is how the syntax works. First we write if, then the condition. After that we write then, which means if the condition is true, then have some programming logic, and then we write end if. After that we are again outputting a statement, value of A is concatenation A. Now if you can see these two parallel lines, it means after that if you write some variable name, it will take the value of that variable and display it. So here the two output that we will get are, yes, you are right, A is less than 20 and value of A is 10, right. Let's see another example. Now this example you might encounter while you are writing code for whatever purposes whatsoever. Declare CID, that is customer ID, as 1 and customer salary as percent type. Now customers dot salary percent type actually denotes the data type of column salary which is in the customers table, right? So you have a customers table. In that table you have a column named salary, and the data type that you have used for that salary will be inherited, and the same data type will be applied to csal. Okay, that is how you can declare types in PL/SQL. So that's pretty good. In the begin statement, after that begin statement, we write select salary into csal from customers, where id equals to c underscore id. As you might know, this statement will fetch salary from customers where id equals to cid, and c underscore id is 1, which means select salary into c salary from customers where id equals to 1. And this into c sal means we are assigning the value that we are getting from the table, from the column of salary, and we are assigning that value to the variable c sal. Okay, so for example, if you get salary as 10,000, then that 10,000 is stored into csal, and that is why we declared its data type as customers dot salary percent type. Now you might relate it well. If c underscore salary is less than or equals 2,000, then update customers set salary equals to salary plus 1,000, where id equals to cid. Now this will update the customer table and set the salary as the current salary plus 1,000, where id equals to 1, because we have 1 in our cid variable. Then it will display the output salary updated. Then we will close the if clause, then we will end. and the output will be salary updated. Let's see an example of if, then and also else case. So we have a number and we assign 100 to the variable a. Inside the begin statement, if a is less than 20, then again the same logic, a is less than 20. But if a is not less than 20, in this case we can say a is 100. So the if part will not be executed and it will go into the else part. In the else part, it will see dbms output dot put line a is not less than 20 and if yes, so which part of the dbms output line will be printed? A is less than 20 or a is not less than 20? Well, a is not less than 20. This is the statement that we will get as output, because if a less than 20 is wrong, so it gives as false, hence the if part does not get executed and the else part gets executed. After that, we again output the line value of a is 100. Let's see an if then else if program. This is a bit complex if you are a starter, but again it's very easy if you know the concept. Declare a number 3 equals 100 again, which means we are assigning the value 100 to the variable a. In the begin clause, we check if a equals 10, then dbms output dot put line value of a is 10, which is not our case. Again we check else if a is 20, then we print value of a is 20. Again this is false. Then we check else if a is 30, then print value of a is 30, which is again false. Then we check if all of these statements are false, else, then it goes into the else block, because all these if, else if 10, 20, 30 are wrong because a is 100. So it skips all this code and goes into else part and prints none of the values is matching. Then we close the end if and we again print exact value of a is yes, it is 100. Right? This will be the output. So that's it for this video. The next agenda will be case statements in PLSQL, and I hope you like this video. Do subscribe to our channel. Our channel is Learn Better. You can search on YouTube, you'll find Learn Better channel. Subscribe to that channel so that you can get all the PLSQL programming tutorials. Share this video among your friends. Like if you like the video, and please do comment and give suggestions. We welcome your feedback. Thanks for watching.